Hey guys, again welcome back to my channel all about Android. Today I will show you that how to use Google Photos, how to upload your all gallery photos into Google Photos, and you can delete all your photos from gallery and save up so much space. So if you have not downloaded the Google Photos, like it is shown there Google Photos, then go to Play Store and type here Google Photos and just go to Google Photos and install it. I have already installed it and you can install. It is up to 21 MB. So download it and just open. By open it, go to there and go to settings, backup and sync, then on this backup and sync option. Then you can storage, buy the storage, buy more storage. For example, I have so much storage, so I doesn't need anything. The upload size, this upload size, high quality free unlimited storage and original 14 GB storage left. So I have ticked the high quality free unlimited option because this option is very good as it reduces the video or image quality to such extent that we can see the image very properly, and we can it's just reduce the size of resolution and doesn't do anything. So high quality free unlimited storage is the best option. And cellular data backup, I have on photos and videos, and then go back and free up device storage. The free up 32.12 MB. This will remove those items from the Google Photos which have already backup. So by free up 32.12 MB, I have released these MBs. So then go back to Google Photos. This is written over here that is backup complete. So I have all backup. You has to check that your photos are backup or not. By this you have the account there, that I have account of all about Android by Janab Verma Saab. So select the option. For example, April, I have ticked all the option in April. Then backup now. Then you have taken backup. I have already backup all my photos, so it doesn't needed anything to backup. So then from gallery, that I will go to gallery, I will just take out all the photos here and delete it. It doesn't need anything, but I has all option in these Google Photos. I have to just go to it, and from this add to albums. From this I can save all the photos again into my gallery. So this is how to use Google Photos. Very simple, very easy. Up to 15 GB you get. You can ever face anything. So thank you guys for watching the videos.